Welcome people, and this is all about butterfly goddess braids. So starting off with freshly washed and clean hair, I parted my hair into two as you can see and decided to apply Gorilla Snot gel at the base of the hair, and this is because I want to slick down my fussy hair. And as you can see, I'm applying a generous amount and I'm using a brush to make sure the gel goes well into my hair. I'm sectioning my front hair so that I'll slick it down later. Then I'm doing a braid, and if you can see in this video, I'm making my braids super close to my ear line. I'm making the braids so close to the side. This is the effect I want. I'll show you now at the other side what I am doing. Yeah, see this part? I braided so close to the side. It was really a struggle doing this. Then I'll cover my hair with a satin scarf. So the next stage is prepping my extensions for the braids. I wanted my goddess braids to be super long, so I didn't cut the extension. I just divided it into two and then I pleat. You can do this part before sectioning your hair. It makes it super easy. You want your braids to be looking like this. Taking off my scarf, I'm going to be using bobby pins to install my braids to my hair. You can sew yours if you want. I'm going to clip the ends into the hair using bobby pins. The end of my braid into the hair using bobby pins. I decided to use bobby pins because I wasn't carrying this hairstyle for long, but if you know you're going to be carrying this hairstyle for long, you can sew in your hair using needle and thread. I wasn't going to carry it for long and I wanted something that I can easily take out. So you can see the way I'm securing it with bobby pins. You can see the back, and I'm making sure the bobby pins do not show at all. You see me talking in my video. Yes, I had a friend around. So I'm basically using my braids, my braided extension, to cover my actual hair. So that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to use your braided extension to cover your actual hair, and that's what I'm just doing. It's very easy, super easy. You can use this for a wedding hairstyle. You can use it as a wedding guest hairstyle for an outdoor event. You don't want to do something really serious. This is so easy, super easy. Butterfly goddess braids, super easy. You can also use it as a back to school hairstyle. You just want to look different and chic and new. So you just go around the braids, making sure it's secured. Try to twist and turn your hair to see if it's going to fall off. Then you fluff it out a little. This is where the butterfly style comes in. You just fluff it out. That's what I'm doing right here to make it look fuller. And then you loosen and pack at the back. Now we're going to braid this whole hair that you see here into one. There was a lot of struggle because the extension was super long. So I just try to braid it into one. And then fluff it out a little bit too. I'm just slicking my edges. And then I added some curls into it. Just to make everything look different and nice. I was so happy and pleased with this hairstyle. I really liked it. It's something very different I've ever done, and I've been seeing a lot of videos on it, and I was like, let me just try it out. And yeah, this is the look. This is the final look. I'm happy about this hairstyle. You can see. Thank you all for watching. I'm really grateful, and please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.